How to save Snapchat pics in gallery. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the bottom panel and tap on the chat icon. Here, you can view the chat list with your friends on Snapchat. Tap on any chat from the list. As you can see, there is a saved picture in this chat. This picture is only saved in Snapchat and not your gallery. Now press and hold the picture. Then, scroll down and tap on Save to Camera Roll. This picture is now saved in your camera roll as well. You can repeat this step with any other picture or video in any of your chats on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.